Let's move on chapter Motion and Time, chapter 12 on page 174, 175 and 176. Children, we come to school daily by bus or on foot. This shows motion. What does motion? What does it mean motion? Motion is nothing but the body is said to be motion when it changes its position with respect to other body. You are walking from home to school and your body is under in motion. How? Because your body position changes from one place to another place with the time. So our body is in motion the same way the bus, moving vehicle, running water, these all under motion. Some body does not changes its position to its surrounding. That is called the body is said to be under rest. So when we sit in the class while teacher is teaching, that means your body is under rest. So you know the meaning of motion and rest. What is motion and rest? When the body changes its position with respect to other object, it is called motion. When the body is not changing its position with respect to its surrounding, then it is called the body is said to be at rest. When you come to school by bus, your body is said to be motion with respect to houses, trees, objects which are along the roadside, which are outside the bus. That means those bodies are under stationary position. That means those bodies are under rest, but your body is in motion. Suppose we are sitting in the moving bus. It seems that trees, houses and objects which are resting outside the bus, it seems to be moving backward direction relating to the passenger, relating to us. If you stand on the road and observe the moving bus, it seems that bus is moving in forward direction in relating to trees and houses which are present outside the bus. Finally, we can conclude that when you are sitting in the moving bus, it seems the trees, houses which are outside the bus seems to move backward direction. But if you are standing outside the bus and observe the bus, moving bus, it seems that bus is moving forward direction with respect to trees and houses. From this, we can conclude that these two terms are motion and rest are relative terms. It depends upon the who and where the observer is. Now let's discuss slow motion and a fast motion. Suppose your school, they are organizing sports day. In this, you and your friends are going to participate in running race. So what do? You people wait for the first bell to run. So while running, any one of the person will reach the particular destination. Here you ran very fast and you reach the particular destination in short period of time. So here you are the winner. But what about your friend? He showed slow motion. That means his body moves very slowly and he became runner. Because he reached a little late, he took time to reach the particular time. Here comes speed. So who is running very speed? You are running very speed, whereas your friend is taking much time to reach the particular destination. So he shows slow motion, whereas you show fast motion. So here we can conclude that some object shows fast motion, some object shows slow motion. And what is the speed? Speed is defined as a two-factor, that is time and the distance you covered. If you reach the very fast, that means the distance you reached very fast with less time, that means your speed is very fast. Your speed is high. But what about your friend? Your friend reached the same distance but with more time. He took more time to reach the particular destination. So his speed is very slow. So what is speed? Speed is defined as the ratio of distance in time. Distance covered by an object in 1 second. So the unit is meter per second or kilometer per hour. Suppose you are coming to school by bus. One day you miss the bus, so you supposed to come on foot. In which case the speed will be more. Definitely bus covers more speed whereas you cover less speed because bus reach the particular place, that is school, in less time, whereas you reach the school. For reaching the school by you it took long time. So this time is inverse proportional to speed. More the time you take, less the speed. Less the time you take, it is more the speed. So speed formula is speed equal to distance per time. Unit is kilometer per hour or meter per second. It is scalar quantity because it has no direction. It has only amount, magnitude. In short, we can write speed v equal to distance s by time taken t in second. Here we can infer that different objects take different speed. Different objects move with different speed. You are going to Delhi by bus and you are also going to prefer to go to Delhi by aeroplane. In which case the speed will be more. Definitely by aeroplane. The aeroplane move with high speed whereas train move with a slow speed, less speed, because train take a longer time to reach the particular place whereas aeroplane covers less time to reach a particular place. So speed is higher in aeroplane whereas speed is slower in train. Speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, whereas speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So you tell me sound or light travel faster in air. It is definitely light travels faster in air than the sound. Now we are going to calculate the speed covered by the body. Here, distance traveled by the car is 250 km. Time taken by the car is 5 hours. So speed, you know what is the formula? Speed equal to distance traveled by the object by time taken to cover that particular distance. That is speed equal to 250 by 5. Then you will get 50 km per hour. To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply the answer into 5 by 18. Here the speed of the car is 13.89 meter per second.